Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're gonna have some tea time. A few years ago I had the honor to travel to India and I was so amazed and in awe when I arrived. Such beautiful architecture and astonishing monuments. Music in the air, exotic spices, fruits and vegetables that I had never seen before, and delicious drinks that sent my taste buds to a whole nother galaxy. So apart from the beautiful memories and pictures, I wanted to bring back something special. So today I'm going to share with you guys a delicious, authentic masala chai recipe. So let's begin. So we're going to start off this recipe by preparing our spices. We're going to use some cardamom pods, some cinnamon sticks, some ginger, some black peppercorns, some star anise, some whole cloves, and some fennel seeds. So this recipe is for one big mug, so if you're going to have more, then you could just double or triple the amounts that we're using. So for one mug, we're going to use 7 cardamom pods, 4 whole cloves, 2 star anise, 7 peppercorns, and 1 tiny pinch of fennel seeds. We're going to crush this all together. I'm using a mortar, but you could use any other utensil that you have. Once we've lightly crushed our spices, we're going to add them to a pot and we're going to lightly roast them for 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of water. And then we're going to grate some ginger. I'm going to grate about a thumb size because I really like it, but you could add a little less or a little more. Now we're going to stir this constantly and we're going to bring it to a boil. So once it starts to boil, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of black tea. If you don't have loose black tea, then you could add 2 tea bags. And we're going to finish off by adding 1 cup of whole milk. We're going to continue to boil this for 5 minutes. Once we've boiled our chai for 5 minutes, we're going to turn off the stove, place a lid on it, and we're going to allow it to steep for 10 minutes. After steeping, we're going to strain our delicious chai into our mug or glass, and we're going to add sugar for taste. And voila, we have our authentic Indian masala chai or spiced tea. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe so you never miss any other videos in the future, and also follow us on Instagram at sandapal20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye bye!